To fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for your Snapchat. So when you find it, just tap on it for some while. Then you have to tap over here to tap on it, and you're going to be in the app info of Snapchat. So now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on the force stop, then tap on OK. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. Go back and check the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So what you have to do is to tap on advanced, then you scroll down below, then you tap on app details. So when you tap on app details, you're going to be over here. So what you have to do is to just tap on updates. So after tapping on update, just try to restart your phone. If you don't know what is restart, try to turn your phone off, then you turn it on back again. So to do this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. After that, you're going to see this pop up. Then you tap on the restart or reboot. After that, then tap on OK, and this phone is going to be reboot, and you are going to get your problem fixed. Thank you for watching this. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.